So you guys wanted to see how the Bluecup works. We use it here. Once you get up and running, you can make your capsules really quickly. The good thing about Bluecup is you can top up with the 6 packs of capsules that we sell as well. They look like this. So they're pretty economical to get up and running with. So essentially you put it in the base of the cup creator, pop your coffee in. Actually, I should mention that it does come with this thing called a spoon holder, but we actually prefer to use a scoop here, and we sell these online. So essentially just fill, tamp, top up a little bit more, tamp again. Lid goes on top. So the foil lids are recyclable. You just need to collect them in an aluminium can, and once that is full, that can go in your home recycling bin. Twist, and out pops your capsule. Our customers that use these absolutely swear by them. So I think if you've been thinking about it, now's the time to try it, and I bet you will love it.